أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. In this tutorial we are going to start when looking in the mirror. So whenever anybody see in the mirror, he should read this dua. Now we start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma Allahumma anta anta. It's a pink color is coming, so whenever pink color comes, you make hiding sound of no, right? So we hide the here because it's ikhfa, that's why we hide. So we say anta anta, and also we long once again. Hassanta حسنت خلقي خلقي فحسن فحسن خلقي خلقي. We read again. اللهم أنت حسنت خلقي فحسن خلقي. Okay, you should repeat after me and practice more. Inshallah, see you in the next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.